Thank you for choosing TexasBarPractice.com for all your legal resource needs. We offer several legal resources such as hard copy and digital publications, practice manuals, subscriptions, and quick reference cards, all designed to help you with your practice. To get started, you'll need to create an account at www.texasbarpractice.com. Select Join Now in the upper right corner of your screen. From here, follow the prompts to become a member. Once you have created an account on TexasBarPractice.com, you can begin making purchases that will be stored for easy and efficient access at any time from the convenience of your laptop, PC, or mobile device. To access an existing account, simply log in with your username and password. You will then see a dashboard with a navigation bar designed to help you locate important information. Your account dashboard will allow you to access publications stored in your online library, such as digital downloads and monthly or yearly subscriptions. You can also view and update your profile and payment information, review subscriptions, see your order history, or simply make a payment. Not able to find what you're looking for? Our customer service team can help you locate essential information or guide you to the product or service that's right for you. Give us a call or drop us an email. At TexasBarPractice.com, you know the law, we're here to make it easy to practice.